that on video?
Yes, I did.
Did you actually get it on video?
Mm-hmm.
Will you do it? Horses apparently do something similar. I should probably look at something, make sure I'm not, like, doing something mean. Hello. They do have beautiful eyes, though. It sneezed in my face. I should probably ask Sal if that's appropriate. I like your hair. Doesn't seem not to like that.